Yes, a journey which started from this Maidan area. Yes, the car, the black car, as you see, that is of Saurav Ganguly, the iconic figure of India, the Dada of Indian cricket. Yes, he's smiling. Oh, the moment everyone is capturing on their mobile, and he is happy on this road. This is Leslie Claudius Serrani, as all you know, the Olympian, and he sat on this jeep of advocates from the Calcutta High Court who felicitated this man, the man who made Indian cricket proud, that Saurav Ganguly. And the backdrop you can see Eden Gardens, the tower, and on this road he used to travel to see Prasanta Banerjee and Prasant Banerjee play at Eden Gardens at East Bengal ground. This road goes to the main gate of East Bengal. As you see, Saurav Ganguly is sitting on the jeep provided by the advocates from the Calcutta High Court, as he is sitting there, and with all his admirers all around. Saurav Ganguly is there, and when he used to walk on this road, you can also see there was Sanjay, one time colleague and under 13, that player Sanjay and Saurav, they played in Bhubaneswar, and Ranjit Da was the manager. I had interviewed Ranjit Da. Sanjay was there, and he prefers to walk. Yes, he wants all the advocates to take a picture of him. He is an advocate himself of Indian cricket. Yes, he was the president of BCCI, president of CAB, and now he is again going to take the chair of the president of Cricket Association of Bengal. He prefers to walk in black. On the backdrop you can see the Eden Gardens with the tower there. And Saurav Ganguly, as all you know, he used to travel on this road, that is Leslie Claudius Serrani. There are many tents here, Central Excise, Customs, Measures, ABP and Calcutta High Court tent, and he is walking along this path. When he used to come to for practice, nobody would have been there, but now a lot of after getting so much of facilities, he made it for Eden Gardens to make available. And you can see Eden Gardens on the backdrop as Saurav Ganguly walks to the Calcutta High Court tent, that he would be felicitated by the advocate from Calcutta High Court. He himself is an advocate of high brand cricket that India has produced so far. The NatWest Trophy, as all you know, he won it in England, where he waved the jersey from the balcony of Lords. As you can see, the Lord of Eden Gardens. Yes, he made one century at Eden Gardens. That was his all-time desire to score a century in front of his own crowd. As you see, there would be a biopic also on Saurav Ganguly, as the shooting has already started with Dona Ganguly is also taking charge of how the biopic should be made. Dona, dancer himself, classical dancer Dona Ganguly, and Saurav Ganguly along with their daughter, that Sana Ganguly. Yes, Sana is also a very intellectual girl, and good family. Saurav Ganguly, his brother Senakil Ganguly is now the president of CAB, and you can see all his admirers, the advocates at the present, and all the that Maidan lovers are there to see Saurav Ganguly there. Yes, he is walking to take the honor, and he would be felicitated by the advocates from the Calcutta High Court at Calcutta High Court tent, and on his right is the customs tent, where you can see Leslie Claudius had played for customs, and this road is named after him, Leslie Claudius Serrani. And now on this road you can see another great man, yes, Saurav Ganguly there.